One of the biggest challenges businesses face with social media is staying consistent. Sometimes it's because they don't know what to post. Other times it's because they simply don't have the time to create content consistently. But what if AI could help you solve both problems? In this video, I'm going to show you how I use GoHighLevel's Ask AI together with the social planner to create, schedule, and automate an entire month's worth of content in just a few minutes. What's going on, everybody? This is Jesse's AI clone. Don't worry, Jesse still writes and reviews all of the content before it gets posted. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is head over to Ask AI inside GoHighLevel. This feature is still in beta, but it's already incredibly useful for content creation. Instead of sitting down and trying to think of 30 different post ideas yourself, we're going to let AI do most of the heavy lifting. Before we jump into Ask AI, I want to mention one thing. If you don't see this feature inside your GoHighLevel account, don't worry, it may just need to be enabled first. To do that, you'll need to log into your agency dashboard. From there, head over to the upper left corner and click on AI Suite. This is where you'll manage AI features across your sub-accounts. From this page, you can decide which sub-accounts have access to features like Ask AI and other AI tools available inside GoHighLevel. If you're managing multiple client accounts, this makes it easy to control who has access before they start using these features. Once Ask AI has been enabled for your sub-account, head back into that account and you'll be ready to follow along with the rest of this tutorial. Creating a month of content. Let's start with a simple prompt. For example, I might ask AI to create 30 social media posts for a business in a specific industry. Maybe it's a realtor, a mortgage professional, a home service business, a marketing agency, or even content around GoHighLevel like I'm creating here. You can tell the AI exactly who your audience is, what tone you'd like to use, and what type of content you'd like to create. Within a few moments, Ask AI will generate an entire month's worth of content for you. If something doesn't sound quite right, don't worry. One of my favorite things about AI is that you can simply ask it to make changes. Maybe you want the posts to sound more professional. Maybe you'd like them to be shorter. Maybe you'd like stronger calls to action, or maybe you want them to focus on a different audience altogether. Just continue refining the prompts until you're happy with the results. Now, you might be wondering what kind of content works well as image posts. Here are a few examples. Quick tips related to your industry, frequently asked questions, common mistakes your customers make, myths versus facts, before and after results, customer testimonials, short educational posts, industry statistics, checklists, or even simple reminders that provide value to your audience. The goal isn't to make every post go viral. The goal is to stay visible, consistently provide value, and remain top of mind with your audience. Once you're happy with the content, Ask AI can help schedule everything directly into your social planner. Instead of manually creating posts every day, you can spread your content across the month in just a few clicks. Choose which social media accounts you'd like to publish to, review the calendar, make any adjustments you'd like, and schedule everything. Now your content continues working for you without needing to remember to post every day. Connecting content to automations. Now this is where things get really interesting. Posting content is great, but generating business from your content is even better. Inside GoHighLevel, you can connect your social media posts to automations. For example, you could ask people to comment a specific word like guide, AI, demo, or free. When someone comments that keyword, GoHighLevel can automatically send them a direct message. That message could include a lead magnet, it could invite them into a free community, it could send them one of your longer YouTube tutorials, it could link to a free consultation or application, or it could even direct them to one of your products or services. You can also build automations around direct messages. If someone sends your business a specific keyword, GoHighLevel can automatically respond with resources, booking links, or additional information without you needing to manually reply. This is one of my favorite ways to turn social media content into an automated lead generation system. Now, while Ask AI is fantastic for creating image content, I wouldn't stop there. Video continues to be one of the best ways to build trust with your audience. For example, I create longer YouTube videos like this one. Then I use AI tools like HeyGen AI Clipper to automatically turn those videos into multiple short-form clips. Those clips can then be scheduled throughout the month alongside the image post we created today. This gives you a healthy mix of educational image content and engaging video content without constantly creating everything from scratch. The goal isn't just to create more content. The goal is to create a system. One longer video can become multiple shorts. Ask AI can generate your image posts. Everything gets scheduled inside the social planner. Your automations respond to comments and direct messages. And your content continues working even while you're focused on running your business. Once this system is in place, staying consistent becomes much easier. That's how I use GoHighLevel to plan and schedule an entire month's worth of content in just a few minutes. If you'd like to try GoHighLevel for yourself, there's actually a special Summer of AI promotion running right now. Through the end of August 2026, new customers can get 50% off any GoHighLevel plan for their first 3 months. On top of that, you'll also receive 30 days of free AI usage, giving you the opportunity to test features like Ask AI, AI Studio, Voice AI, Conversation AI, and many of the other AI tools built into the platform before deciding how you'd like to use them in your business. If you're interested, I'll have the Summer of AI link in the description below. And if you'd like to see more Go High Level featured tutorials, make sure to check out the other videos on my channel. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.